So here's your assignment. Okay.
Dr. Olpin, there's a lot of massage therapists with friends of mine that use, and I know it sounds kind of odd, but along with that, for someone like her, they use different scents, like different kinds of candles and oils that actually help them not absorb negative energy. Is there any thoughts on that?
Like rocks and stuff
Like,
too.
there's certain kinds of scents and candles and oils that they can surround, like in their offices when they leave a therapy session, massage therapy, so that they don't absorb that negative energy.
Really? Wow.
I'll have to find out what it was, because my one friend was an amazing massage therapist. She could feel the negativity when she would massage.
She could?
And then she would absorb it, so she didn't want to absorb it anymore. So she started working with some different things to help protect the absorption.
And that worked?
It did for her, and I'll find out what it was.
Wow, I'm very
That would be
interested.
great for her, so.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, this says, your assignment is to spend 30 to 45 minutes listening empathically to someone who's talking with you. You will listen to them according to how we practice this method of listening in class. Empathically, talk with someone who is working with some issue that includes some emotional energy. Now pay attention to this. You will not tell them that you're listening to them as an assignment. Mom, I need to listen to you for 45 minutes because Mike wants me to do it for this class, so talk. Don't do that. It's artificial. I don't want this to feel artificial. You'll simply focus all of your listening energy on listening for the single purpose of understanding. After you've finished, respond to these questions. And it sounds like you get this opportunity every day. A lot of us do, just by virtue of the people who are around us. We get this opportunity quite often. You won't have a hard time finding this opportunity present itself. So it says, so how you will answer this, you'll describe the situation, who's involved, what was the main topic of conversation. Describe how you noticed yourself vacillating between listening empathically and autobiographically. Invariably, you'll bounce back and forth. Now, it says 3, describe how the person you were talking with responded to you when you did listen empathically. And then describe how easy or difficult you found that it was to listen empathically for that long.